Hello and welcome to this training video on the Eve Taylor Ultrasonic Microtherapy device. The Eve Taylor Ultrasonic Microtherapy device is a handheld device created for the professional therapist to use within their facial treatments. The supreme technology of the device supercharges professional use Eve Taylor products and boosts treatment room results for the ultimate in client satisfaction. The device offers multiple functions, allowing for a versatile selection of treatments to be performed across a wide selection of skin types and conditions. The device offers 3 settings. Exfoliate setting provides a thorough removal of dead skin cells and enhances cleansing actions to give a smooth, soft, refined complexion. Clarify setting deeply cleanses and breaks down sebum deposits. It loosens comedones ready for extractions and gives the skin a refreshed appearance. And ionize setting, which propels action ingredients into the deeper skin layers for increased product effectiveness and visible results. Collectively, the versatile functions of this device widens your treatment selection and also incentivizes your client to return for treatment results that they cannot achieve at home. The device has a white plastic body with a stainless steel blade. Located in the centre of the device are a selection of buttons. In the very centre, you've got your power button with an on and off setting, and surrounding that you have your ionize button, your clarify button, your pad button, and your ultrasonic exfoliation button. When you press each button, you will see a light shining in the area above, and next to the light there will be a symbol that matches the button you have pressed. This allows you to know exactly which setting you are using. The device is charged using a USB charger cord which comes with the device in the box. You can plug this into a USB charger or into a laptop or any type of USB charging device. When charging, it will take approximately 2 hours for a full charge. You would then get a continual use time of approximately 1 hour. Safety and precautions when using the device. The device has been designed to offer longevity for use within the professional environment. So to ensure the device maintains its full life, please ensure that you observe the following safety points and precautions. Always check the device before and after use. If you find that the unit becomes cracked, do not use it and replace it immediately. Check the device and USB charger cord each time before plugging it into charge. Ensure the device is kept on a clean and dry surface when not in use. Never immerse the device in water. Do not use or store in humid areas. And if you find water seeps into the device housing, do not use it and replace it immediately. Limit any moisture encountering the device and wipe the blade regularly. Always turn the device off after use to maintain the best usage time without a recharge being required. To ensure good hygiene with the device, we would clean the unit and the blade using a damp cloth, and then we would proceed to disinfect using an appropriate disinfecting wipe, such as a barbicide wipe or a Mundo wipe. We recommend thorough cleaning and disinfection after use, but also clean and disinfect before next use. Consultation and contraindications. As this device uses an electrical current, we need to ascertain key information prior to the treatment. Use the Eve Taylor consultation card to determine client suitability by assessing any contraindications or considerations. The following contraindicates the use of the Eve Taylor ultrasonic microtherapy device. Pregnancy at any stage. Clients with a pacemaker or metal implants. Any clients that have facial piercings. If your client has epilepsy or seizure conditions, clients with heart conditions, high or low blood pressure, broken skin such as cuts or abrasions, or even severe eczema, the presence of any type of skin infections such as impetigo, and clients who are taking medically prescribed Roaccutane or isotretinoin. However, this only applies for contraindicating the exfoliate setting. If you are in doubt during your consultation, or if your client gives you any type of ambiguous answers, then avoid using the device within the treatments until you are fully clarified. The first functionality of the device we're going to look at is the exfoliate setting. We would use this setting to exfoliate the skin, to remove and to dislodge dead and dulling skin cells, and to give the skin surface a refined, fresh, smooth texture. The exfoliate setting uses ultrasonic technology to emit 25,000 Hz vibrations and longitudinal sound waves from the edge of the stainless steel blade. When the blade is held at a 45-degree angle and passed over moistened or wet skin, the concentrated ultrasonic vibration penetrates into the epidermal layers. This oscillates the corneocyte cells in the stratum corneum layer and vibrates and dislodges the cells to lift them within a moisture mist on the skin surface. The skin also benefits from the ultrasonic sound waves, propelling surface moisture from the tip of the blade rapidly into the follicles and back out again. This quickly expels pollutants, dirt and grime all within a single pass. This helps to purify the skin and remove superficial dirt and sebum to give a more targeted cleansing action as well as exfoliating and resurfacing. The benefits of using the exfoliate setting within your treatments are that it dislodges surface skin cells, it exfoliates the epidermis, it expels pollutants, dirt and grime, and gives a smooth, fresh, soft skin texture. The versatile action of this device means that you can use it on your clients of all skin types and conditions. We would avoid using it on your clients that have a hypersensitive or highly reactive skin, and also use with caution on clients with a breakout prone skin. If your client is unable to tolerate intensive acid exfoliation, then this would be a great option to use to dislodge those skin cells. It's also ideal for your mature clients who have a dull skin or are experiencing that build-up of dead skin cells. It's excellent to use on clients with a congested skin, and also to use on clients with hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone or skin discoloration. We have a wide selection of products which may be used with the exfoliate setting. This setting must always be used on skin that is moist or dampened. Some of the products that you can use with this setting include Clear Cleanse, when you have emulsified the product with water and the skin surface is wet. You may opt to use it with Purifying Wash when this is foamed with water, or our Dynamic Resurfacing Cleanser, again when it is foamed with water. And these could be foamed in the hands and applied, or dispensed into a bowl, water added and whisked with the brush before being applied to the skin. Other cleansers that you could use would be the Ultra Soothing Cleanser, Soothing Cleanser, or Balancing Cleanser. However, they would need to be spritzed with toner over the top to make them more wet and moist. Alternatively, you may opt just to use toner directly onto the skin. So you may use the Ultra Soothing Toner, Soothing Toner, Balancing Toner, Purifying Toner, or Dynamic hydrating toner. You may also use any of the hydrolats, but they must be spritzed onto the skin using the atomizer spritz bottle. If you are wishing to give a more intensive exfoliation, then you may use the microfine daily exfoliant, which must be foamed with water. You may opt to use the resurfacing cream exfoliant, which was formerly called Active Complex, or the bio cream exfoliant. If you do use the latter two exfoliants, again, toner must be spritzed over the top to give a more moistened and wettened skin surface. When using the exfoliate setting, we would apply the cleanser or exfoliant to the skin. In this video, we are using purifying wash foamed with water in a bowl and applied with a Eve Taylor fan brush. To ensure the skin is sufficiently moistened and dampened, and for good practice, we are then spritzing the skin with toner. This will give increased hydration and more workability. Press the middle power button, the blue light will come on at the top of the unit and a continuous buzzing sound will be heard. Hold the device in your hand at a 45-degree angle with the buttons facing the client. Work in upward-outward actions using the edge of the blade to remove any of the cleanser or exfoliant. You will see a moisture mist emit from the edge of the blade. Periodically, clean the blade edge with a sponge to reduce any product buildup. After working on the neck, continue to work up on the face, on the cheek area, again working in upward-outward movements. Ensure that you use gentle pressure to avoid any discomfort to the client. Be cautious working near the eye area and ask the client to keep their eyes closed. When working around the nose area, work from the nasal groove to the centre of the nose. This is especially beneficial for any clients that have a build-up of dead skin cells, which can then lead to congestion. Always keep contact with the other hand to create that symmetry with the client, and also to ensure that you are stretching the skin. Be cautious when working on the bridge of the nose, as this is a bony area. When working on the forehead, work in outward movements, starting from the centre of the forehead, working towards the temple. This is great to have a resurfacing and smoothing effect on the forehead, especially for those clients that experience those underskin bumps, and will leave the skin feeling more refined. Upon completion, turn off the device and remove product from the skin. Clarify setting. The device offers a high-performance decongesting function to deeply cleanse the follicles of excess oil, loosen impaction plugs, and soften the skin in preparation of comedone extractions. The way that this setting works is that the flat edge of the blade emits sound waves when it's passed over the skin. These sound waves oscillate and vibrate the skin tissues underneath. This helps to loosen solidified impaction plugs in the follicles and also assists with the release of sebum by aiding with the saponification effect. Now, this is enhanced when combined with a desincrustation product such as our desincrustation gel. After using this setting, you may also extract using the exfoliate setting and the edge of the blade. That sound wave will help to push at the side of the follicular impaction and allow the impaction plug to raise from the follicle, making extractions simple and painless for your clients. Benefits of using the Clarify setting are that it clears and clarifies oily and congested skin. It helps to break down excess sebum in the follicle and in the underlying skin. It loosens follicular impactions and has an overall decongesting effect to those with problematic or more of a breakout prone skin. The skins which are suitable are those with an oily skin, a congested skin, or a breakout prone skin. When using the Clarify setting, the main products that we would always recommend to use would be desincrustation gel. This should be dispensed into a bowl, whisked with an Eve Taylor fan brush, and then applied to the skin in a thick blobbing action. However, if you do not have desincrustation gel available, as an alternative you may use electro gel customised with either tea tree hydrolat or lemon hydrolat. Soothing mask may also be used as it has conductive properties. We would recommend that you customise this with tea tree hydrolat or lemon hydrolat. Purifying toner, tea tree hydrolat or lemon hydrolat may also be spritzed onto the skin when the flat edge of the blade is used on Clarify setting. This will not give as much of an effective result as using the desincrustation gel, but is a good alternative if those other products are not available. Following cleansing, dispense 2 pumps of desincrustation gel into a bowl and whisk into a foam consistency using the Eve Taylor fan mask brush. Apply the foamed desincrustation gel in a thick blobbing action. Apply it to any areas you wish to decongest or any areas which you wish to extract. Typically these would be located on the forehead, the nose and the chin. However, it can be applied to any congested areas. Turn on the unit by first pressing the central power button. Continue to press pad where you will see a blue light showing. Press the Clarify minus button and a second blue light will show. You will hear an intermittent buzzing sound. Hold the device in your hand, ensuring you maintain contact with the metal outer rim. Place the flat edge of the blade on the client's skin. You will see the buttons facing up this time. Work over the areas where desincrustation gel has been applied, working in upward-outward movements using the flat edge of the blade. Always keep the blade moving and do not allow the blade to become stationary in one place. Your free hand should also be kept in contact with the client's skin, approximately 1 inch away from the blade. This will maintain the circuit. Periodically, wipe the blade to reduce any product build-up. Continue to work over the areas for around 5 minutes in total. Next, re-engage the exfoliate setting by pressing the central power button and continue to remove the excess desincrustation gel using the blade edge. The oscillation from the blade edge will further loosen any impacted sebum and bring it to the surface. Keep wiping the edge of the blade to reduce any product build-up. Remove any residual desincrustation gel with sponges, mitts or towels. To perform extractions, engage the exfoliate setting by pressing the central power button. This time, have the device with the buttons facing up. This will allow the blade edge to get almost underneath the follicle. Hold at the side of the impaction with the skin stretched and gently press. This will encourage the comedone to slide out of the follicle. Don't use intensive pressure. We do not wish to mark the client's skin. Holding the blade edge in a couple of different positions may be required. Following the extractions, apply tea tree hydrolat to a cotton disc and blot over the area to clean, sanitize and reduce chances of infection. Ionize setting. The Eve Taylor Ultrasonic microtherapy device offers a highly effective method of penetrating and ionising ingredients and products into the skin using a form of ultrasound and sonophoresis. Ultrasound uses sound waves in excess of 20,000 Hz to create physiological effects within the skin's tissues. This is similar to ripples on water. The waves created increase the penetration of topically applied ingredients deeper into the epidermal layers. This helps to achieve intensive results for the skin and for clients' satisfaction. One of the effects ultrasound creates is something called cavitation, which is the formation and collapse of gas bubbles. The intensity of cavitation causes small holes in the corneocytes. In turn, this leads to them enlarging the intercellular spaces, allowing topically applied ingredients and formulations to be deeply absorbed. A small amount of heat is also created, which increases the fluidity and temporary disorder of stratum corneum lipids. This then creates a direct pathway for the diffusivity of molecules through the skin's barrier. These collectively assist with the ionisation of skincare products within the professional facial treatment. The benefits of using the ionised setting is that it infuses serums and masks deeper into the skin than manual application. It enhances and boosts the effectiveness of serums and masks. It promotes epidermal oxygenation and gives a brightened complexion. Ionised setting can be used by all skin types and conditions unless the client is contraindicated, allowing a great versatility of treatments to be performed across a wide selection of clients. Products which may be used with the ionised setting include oxygen response serum, pigment response serum, sebum response serum, timeline response serum, hydrating serum, brightening serum, and firming serum. If you were to use these serums, you will need to continue with a conductive medium over the top. These conductive mediums can include electrogel, which can incidentally also be customised with hydrolat to intensify the effect, soothing mask, again, which may be customised with hydrolat. You may also opt to use balancing mask, purifying mask, or antioxidant mask. Gently smooth your selected serum to the face, neck and décolleté and proceed to apply a conductive gel or mask over the top using an Eve Taylor fan brush. A medium to thick layer should be applied for sufficient conductivity. Engage the ionise setting by pressing the power button, pad and ionise plus. You will then see the two blue lights next to each other shining. An intermittent buzzing sound will be heard. Place the flat edge of the blade onto the client's skin. You will see the buttons facing up toward you. Work over the areas in upward, outward movements. Always keep the blade moving and do not allow the blades to become stationary in any one place. Your free hand should always be kept in contact with the client's skin at an approximate distance of 1 inch from the blade to ensure the circuit is maintained. Periodically wipe the blade to reduce product buildup. Continue to work over the areas of the face for approximately 5 minutes. Upon completion, turn off the device and remove any product from the skin surface using sponges or steam towels. The Eve Taylor Ultrasonic Microtherapy device can be incorporated into your existing treatments, as well as our Target Plus ultrasonic facials. Target Plus ultrasonic facials are a portfolio of 30-minute facial treatments created to achieve results in a short space of time. These treatments are technology-based and all use the ultrasonic microtherapy device. They may be offered as standalone results-focused treatments, especially for clients who are time compressed, or combined as part of a beauty package along with other services you offer such as nails or waxing. Offering your clients these results-focused treatments in a fraction of the time will allow you to book in more clients throughout the day. More clients coming through the door is more revenue and also gives you more opportunities to retail, increasing revenue further. The treatment protocols for the Target Plus ultrasonic facials can be found in the back of the Skincare Navigator Volume 5. The treatment portfolio can also be found in the professional area of the website under facial treatments. The treatments in the Target Plus portfolio include the Target Plus Glow, a treatment for dull and lackluster skin, the Target Plus Decongest, a treatment for congested, oily skin, the Target Plus Resurface, a treatment for clients requiring intensive exfoliation and resurfacing, the Target Plus Quench for dehydrated and moisture depleted skin, the Target Plus Soothe, which is for irritated and sensitive skin, the Target Plus Eye Bright, which is a treatment targeted for the delicate eye area, and the Target Plus Lip Smooth, which is targeted especially for the lips. To recap, when using the Eve Taylor ultrasonic microtherapy device, you must always conduct a full and thorough consultation to ensure any contraindications or other considerations have been identified. This is vital for your client's safety. Ensure the device is in full working order, that it is cleaned and disinfected before use. Select the Target Plus ultrasonic facial appropriate for your client's needs, or ensure you have devised your own treatment plan and have the appropriate products ready. The 3 settings that you can use on the device are exfoliate, which you can use on all skin types and conditions except those with a hypersensitive skin. Clarify, which is great for oily, congested and also problematic skin. And ionize, which is suitable for all skin types and conditions.